Good morning, children. Today we are going to revise chapter 4, that is Respect All Work. There are some services we need every day. Such services are called essential services. Now let's move toward divisions of labor. Students, we cannot do all the work on our own. Hence, there are different people to do different kinds of work. We somehow depend on them. This is called divisions of labor. Now, students, the most important topic, that is dignity of labor. See, we all do different kinds of work. We should never be ashamed on any kinds of work we do. We should always respect every work and workers. No work is superior or inferior in itself, and it is absolutely wrong to consider any work as high or low. Work therefore itself is dignity. We should always remember that dignity is achieved by doing only and only hard work. Now, student, I will tell you about great teachers like Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi. You already heard about them. They strongly believed and supported dignity of labor. They considered each and every work as a worship. They did not make any difference between any kinds of people in the whole world. They felt and taught that work is worship and there is no shortcut to hard work. So students, this was a very short chapter. We should always remember the teaching of great teachers, what they taught and what were their preaching and saying. Let's do exercise. Take the correct option. First, what do we call the services we need every day? Its answer is essential services. Second, we must dash every work and the person who does it. Its answer is respect. Third, a person who mends our shoes is a dash. Its answer is cobbler. Next, fill in the blanks. First, a dash brings letter for us. In the blanks there is postman. Second, a greengrocer supplies dash. It's a grocery. Third, essential services help us lead a dash and dash life. There is happy and comfortable. Fourth, dash repairs are leaking pipes and tanks. So there is plumber. Fifth, dash is a punishable act and has been banned. In the blanks there is untouchability. Now see true and false. First, a gardener supplies grocery. It's false. Second, we cannot do all the work ourselves. It is a true. Third, we must respect all work and the person who does it. Its answer is true. Fourth, Mahatma Gandhi believed in the dignity of labor. Yes, its answer is true. Let's do question answer. Question number 1. What do you understand by divisions of labor? Answer is different people do different kinds of work. This is called divisions of labor. Question number 2. What do you understand by dignity of labor? Its answer is dignity of labor means that all types of job deserve equal respect and no occupation is inferior. Question number 3. What are essential service? Its answer is, there are various people in our neighborhood who offer different services to help us in our daily life. Their services are called essential services. Question number 4. Name 2 social reformers who worked hard to eradicate the caste system from our society. Its answer is, 2 social reformers who worked hard to eradicate the caste system from our society are Swami Vivekananda and Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 5. Who renamed the untouchable as a Harijan? Its answer is, Mahatma Gandhi renamed the untouchable as a Harijans. Now finish this chapter. In next our video, we will revise chapter number 5.